In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an AI-generated short video in InVideo. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a topic idea to a fully generated short that's ready to share. First, open your browser and go to the InVideo website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the option that says Create AI Video. This is the quickest way to let the platform build your short for you using your inputs, so you don't have to start from a blank canvas. Next, choose Create Short Video. This tells InVideo you're making a condensed vertical style clip that's perfect for quick viewing. Right after that, you'll be asked to pick the pacing, fast-paced or very fast-paced. Fast-paced works well for most educational or promotional topics, with quick cuts and energetic timing. Very fast-paced is even snappier and suits trends or highly dynamic content where every second counts. Pick the feel that matches your message and audience attention span. Now select the social media platform your short is for. Choosing YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels helps InVideo set the best aspect ratio, length, and style cues for that platform. This choice keeps your video framed correctly and prevents important text or visuals from being cut off on upload. Enter your topic in the prompt field. Be clear and specific so the AI understands your angle. For example, instead of just fitness, try 3 beginner core exercises for busy professionals. If your topic needs a particular tone, like playful, professional, or motivational, mention that too for better results. Before you generate, tweak a few settings. Pick background music that suits your pace choice. Upbeat tracks pair nicely with fast edits, while more minimal music keeps the voiceover front and center. Keep the music volume low enough so narration stays clear. Choose your language to ensure the voiceover and text match your audience. If the platform offers variants like region-specific spellings or pronunciations, pick the one your viewers expect. When everything looks right, click Proceed. This is your last checkpoint before generation. Finally, click Generate. InVideo will assemble your short, combining visuals, captions, timing, and audio based on your selections. Give it a moment to process. And that's it. Done. You've just created an AI-powered short video in InVideo, tailored for your platform, pace, and topic. If the result aligns with your vision and sounds balanced, you're ready to take it live. Great work following along, and enjoy producing more shorts with this streamlined workflow.